My name is Brian Adira. I teach Lingala. Nauti na mboka ya Kenya. Lelo tokoki ko yekola Lingala malamu. Tika tobanda ko yekola Lingala awa. Ezalo bwaku monene. It's a big volley. Butu mobimba. Butu is night, then mobimba is owl. Now, the whole night. You see, Mbongo is a Nzambe yansi. Man is the worldly God. As you know, Nzambe is God. Mbongo is money. So you just have to take those two nouns. Ponabiso, choose us. Ponabiso, choose us. Ponabiso. For example, you want to construct a sentence, choose us for the whole year. You see, choose us for the whole group. Ponabiso mpona lisanga mobimba. Or ponabiso mpona grope mobimba. Komibebisa is to hurt, rain, damage or pollute yourself. You see, like I hurt myself. Namibebisa. You see, myself doing something, doing an action to yourself, it is being represented by that prefix me. You see, me, you are doing something to yourself. Beto Malai, a long bed. Malasi ya solo. Malasi is perfume. Malasi ya solo kitoko, nice smelling perfume. Libanda ya mpepo or pepo. Libanda ya mpepo is airport. Mwasi kitoko boyi, a very beautiful woman. Nalimbi libala, I'm tired of marriage. Oyo motema elingaka, this one the heart likes. Oyo motema elingaka, this one the heart likes. Mwinda ya bomoi, bomoi is life. Mwinda is light, the light of life. Ndenge okimi ndako, the way you have run away from the house. The way you have run away from the house. Pesa bango mbote, greet them. Pesa bango mbote nangai, give them my greetings. You see. Combo yambanda na you. Combo yambanda na banda is rival, your rival's name. Like you see, in Ndaya, the song of our very beautiful woman, though she's our late Mpongo love, called Ndaya. Naibi kumbo ya mbandati. You see, but many people, when they are doing the lyrics translation, they have done it wrongly, whereby I don't know the name of my river. Meanwhile, that's just like the real meaning is that I don't know if I have maybe a co-wife or a rival in my marriage. You see, girls, they usually have such a thing. Okay, number 16, outa wapi yoliwa. Outa wapi yoliwa. Where have you come from, you death? Outa wapi yoliwa. Liwa is death. Madelu said something. Liwa ya kala ezalaki eloko ya mawa. lelo eko mali seki. You see, the old death was very sad, but nowadays people bring a lot of jokes. They laugh, something like laughter. Nakobala lisusu te, I will never marry again. Pinsoli ekauki, tears dried up. Ekauki is to dry or dried. Ekauka is to dry. Babetaka ndembo, they play football. Fungola motema na yo, open your heart. Open your heart. Fungola motema na yo. Motema polele, an open, clean or clear heart. Odefa bilamba nanga, you borrow my clothes. Mbongo nangai, my money. Bakutaki you, they find you. Mwana liboso ya mobali, the firstborn son. Mwana liboso ya mwesi, the firstborn daughter. Talanga na zolela. Talanga na zolela. See, I am crying. See, I am crying. Talanga ndenge na zolela. See how I am crying. You see. See, I'm crying. See how I'm crying. See how I'm laughing. It will be talanga ndenge nazoseka. Bamoni yo na banganda. They see you in bus. Bamoni yo na banganda. They see you in bus. Otali ngai oleli. Otali ngai oleli. You see me and cry. Otali ngai oleli. Or otali ngai na oleli. You see me and you cry. See. Naibisa bango. I have told them. Naibisa bango. Lelo na tango or tongo. This morning. Lelo na tongo, not tango. Lelo na tongo. This morning. Azamo yembi malamu. He or she is a good singer. Kofi Olomide azamo yembi malamu. Papa Wemba azalaki moyembi malamu. Papa Wemba was a good singer. Franco Luambo Makiadi azalaki moyembi malamu. Toyebi te, we don't know. Toyebi ete, we don't know him. Nazana nyongo, I have a debt. Ya deni, a debt. I have a debt. Nazana nyongo, I have a debt. Luka okomona na miso, such you will see. Etondi mawa, it's full of problems. Mabe nyoso osalanga, all the bad things you do. Bozoba yabato misusu, other people's foolishness. That is it. What I'll just like, that's the end of our lessons today. Just subscribe to my channel, Branadira. I'll be very happy.